Welcome back, By Smart Fam. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums and mops. On one side, we have the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 plus self-emptying robot vacuum and mop, and on the other, the Kilgone G20 robot vacuum and mop combo. Let's see which one of these mechanical cleaning minions deserves a spot in your home. First up, let's talk about the price. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus comes in at a hefty $549, whereas the Kilgone G20 is priced at a more wallet-friendly $267. So if you're budget-conscious, the Kilgone might already be winning your heart. Next, on to performance. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus boasts a 4-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface rubber brushes, making it excellent for avoiding pet hair tangles. Reviewers love its powerful cleaning, especially for homes with pets. The Kilgone G20, with its 2-in-1 vacuuming and mopping system and tangle-free large suction nozzle, is praised for its multitasking capabilities and effectiveness on hard floors and carpets. Both are impressive, but Roomba's pet-friendly design gives it a slight edge. Roomba Combo i5 Plus has a self-emptying feature that empties its bin for up to 60 days, which reviewers find incredibly convenient, likening it to having a butler. Kilgone G20 lacks this feature, so if you hate dealing with dirt, Roomba's got your back. Let's talk smart features. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus learns your home and creates an imprint smart map, and understands more voice commands than any other 2-in-1 vacuum. Reviewers appreciate its advanced mapping and voice command capabilities, although some find the mapping feature a bit buggy. The Kilgone G20, with its Wi-Fi Bluetooth capabilities and compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, also impresses users, especially with its TYA app for scheduling and control. Both are smart, but Roomba might just be the nerd in the class. Battery life is crucial. The Kilgone G20 comes with a 2,600 mAh battery that runs for up to 100 minutes, covering 1,290 square feet. Reviewers are pleased with its endurance. Roomba hasn't specified its battery life, leaving some users guessing, but given its price, expectations are high. Design-wise, the Kilgone G20 is ultra-thin at 2.91 inches with 3D precision obstacle avoidance, making it great for dodging obstacles. Reviewers love its sleek design and ability to clean hard-to-reach areas. Roomba Combo i5 Plus doesn't focus on thinness, but features Dirt Detect technology to target dirtier areas, which users find particularly effective. Overall, reviewers praise the Roomba Combo i5 Plus for its powerful cleaning and self-emptying feature, but note some issues with its mapping software. The Kilgone G20 is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and effective multitasking capabilities, making it a great option for budget-conscious buyers. So which one should you go for? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch, Kilgone G20 might be your new best friend. But if you want the creme de la creme of robot vacuums with all the bells and whistles, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus could be worth the splurge. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buys. Until next time, keep those floors clean and those wallets happy. Product links are in the description.